The success of the U.S. government in legal matters depends on how you define success, whether it's in upholding the rule of law, passing effective legislation, enforcing justice, or protecting constitutional rights. Here's a breakdown. The judiciary, especially the Supreme Court, functions independently and can challenge decisions by the executive or legislative branches. Checks and balances between branches of government help uphold legal fairness. Increasing concerns about partisan appointments to the judiciary, especially to the Supreme Court. Differences in legal interpretations between states can cause inconsistency. The government continues to create and update laws to address new issues, e.g., AI regulations, climate change, LGBTQ+ rights. Civil rights protections are evolving through legislation at federal and state levels. Political polarization often causes legislative gridlock, delaying critical reforms. Major issues like immigration reform and gun control remain unresolved. Advanced technology, surveillance, forensics, databases, enhances law enforcement efficiency. Federal agencies like the FBI and DOJ maintain strong capacities for fighting major crimes. Ongoing concerns over racial bias and police brutality, especially after incidents like George Floyd's death. Gun violence and mass shootings raise questions about enforcement and gun laws' effectiveness. Fundamental freedoms, speech, religion, press, are legally protected. Courts often defend civil liberties even against government overreach. Controversial state laws, e.g., abortion bans, are seen by many as infringing on constitutional rights. The balance between freedom and regulation, e.g., in online speech or public safety, remains contentious. The U.S. government is largely successful in maintaining the rule of law, but faces significant challenges, including political division, judicial bias concerns, and uneven enforcement of certain laws. These issues continue to test the resilience of its legal